Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Word to PDF on laptop. So guys, go to the file option and then tap on print. Now tap on print again. Now tap on the printer and select Microsoft Print to PDF. And here select portrait layout. And guys, if you want to convert to the page, then just click on print, or if you want to select the page range, then you can enter the page range here. So I am selecting one page, and then you can choose the color option here. And after all completing, just click on print. And now just give your file name here. And then click on save. And now go to your document. So guys, this is the PDF that we created from the Word file. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.